The number of COVID-19 victims in Uganda prisons has gone up, and according to the Uganda prison spokesperson Frank Baine, last week alone over 100 prisoners contracted COVID-19. However, he noted that they are doing their best to see to it that the inmates are treated adequately as they hinder the spread of the virus.
In this report this morning, we have an accumulated number of cases of COVID-19 as 1,438. Of those, 1,289 are prisoners, 117 are staff.
Baine has also talked about permitting those with COVID-19 to go abroad for further treatment.
Procedure of transferring a prisoner, where you take him and where you stop. Because it is deemed a prisoner who has gone to hospital is still a prisoner under the custody of the officer in charge. So, if you take a prisoner outside the boundaries of the country, I don't know whether the officer in charge, who runs the delegated function of the Commissioner General, would still remain in charge of the prisoner. So if it is not, therefore, it is not in the powers and the means of Uganda Prison Service.
He has also warned all those that are taking COVID-19 lightly by not following the standard operating procedures and the Ministry of Health guidelines.
Urging everybody, let's follow the guidelines. Let's obey what the government tells us. They have told you, when they get you violating the curfew, at first they thought you would pay money. But the majority of the people don't have the money. So now they have put 2 months. I can assure you prisons are congested, but we still have space for those who will want to continue to violate the orders of government.
He further talked about the congestion of the inmates in the prisons.
We have 64,041 prisoners. Of those, 32,341 are convicts. Then, then 31,424 are convicts. In other words, the remands are 50.3% and the convicts are 49.1%.
This story has been compiled by Issa Chigongo for Channel 44 Prime News.